we took it upon ourselves to be able to find a way to, one, notify the public in the event that this was ever carried out, if there was an attack to the state of Hawaii. And so one of the ways to do that is to have a siren system. But the siren system is only one of three ways. So we'll also have a script come over the television, interrupting the broadcast, and on radio.